challenge pillar. The green challenge pillar analyzes the level of pollution associated with each of the 7 pollutants that we can see here in the center of the page. 2 interactive maps on the bottom of the windows show the location of the monitoring system as for Naples and as for Salerno. The data are provided by Regional Agency for Environmental Protection in Campania, namely ARPAC, and uploaded into the database via API after being validated by ARPAC. This is the issue because we have normally a lead time of 3-4 days from when the monitoring system records the data and when the database of the software can compute the data and plot them on our graph, as we can see shortly. By clicking on one pollutant, for instance, let's click on NO2, a window opens up with a calendar, as we can see here on the top left, showing the daily average of NO2 value for each day, colored red and dark red, as the concentration of NO2 in the air increases. As far as NO2 pollutants is concerned, it is monitored by 4 monitoring stations. 2 of them are located in Salerno and 2 of them in Naples. These 4 stations are the closest to the port area that ARPAC offers. We can now focus our attention on the table at the bottom left. This table compares the values recorded by monitoring unit with the limit laid down by the current regulations, which are different for each type of pollutant. If we select a control unit operating in Naples through the filters on the right side of the window, for instance NA06 or NA807, for instance, we can see the annual average has already exceeded by 3 micrograms the legal limit, because the legal limits is 40 microgram, and now we have a record of an average annual average of 43 micrograms. So the alert is red, while there are no exceedance overrun about the hourly limits. So the alert is green, as there are no critical conditions. As we can see here, the graph in the bottom center, this graph shows the monthly trend of NO2 concentration in the air. As it can be seen, February is was the most the month with the showing the worst air quality. Finally, the line graph on the bottom right of the windows shows the weekly trend of NO2 concentration in the air. As that can be seen, in average, on Thursday is the day of the week which shows the worst air quality. In this short presentation, we have shown the main functionalities of Port Authority dashboard. Please refer to next presentations for further details. Thank you for your attention.